What's up, y'all? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to unbox and install the Kwikset Smart Key Security Doorknob. This is a exterior doorknob with kind of a side flange handle. It's not the round knob. And this is for exterior doors. So it's got a turn locking tab on one end. That's going to be the indoor side. And then it's got a key lock on the outside. So let's get this dude open and installed. The cool thing about this Kwikset doorknob lock combination is it's just one tool install. All you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver and maybe some scissors just to get it out of the package. All right, let's get this package open and do a quick unboxing of the Kwikset Smart Key Security Doorknob and Lock. This is going to be the interior side, and this is the exterior side. So it's got the inside and outside, and then it's got the locking mechanism assembly here. And of course, you're going to need the hardware. Two keys, Allen wrench, instructions. Looks like a single page instructions. This is set up to be a very quick and easy installation. Front and back. Hardware. It's going to be the Phillips head. One of these is the long screw that tightens the two handles together, and then the other four screws are going to be your wood screws that attach it to the door. Looks like this is some sort of a lock key or a reset key. All right, let's get to it.